Today we're talking about year-end gifting strategies for 2025, what the IRS allows, how gifting can reduce your estate for tax purposes, what you need to be aware of, and how you can use these rules to help your family right now. Hi everyone, I'm Chuck Roulet, an estate planning and elder law attorney licensed in both Minnesota and Florida. And for nearly 30 years, I've helped families protect what they've built, avoid probate, reduce taxes, and safeguard their assets from long-term care and nursing home costs. Now, before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you click the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. If you have a question, post it in the comments below, and I may answer it in an upcoming video. And if you stay until the end, I'll share some resources where you can discover more. Now let's jump in. So the first thing you should know is the annual gifting limit for 2025. And for 2025, the IRS allows you to give up to $19,000 per person. Tax-free, no reporting required. That means you can give each of your kids $19,000. Your spouse can give $19,000 to that same child. That's $38,000 per child per year without filing a gift tax return. And you can do this for as many people as you want. So you can give it to your kids and your grandkids. And here's something many people don't realize. The recipient pays no income tax on the gift, zero. So if you want to help a child with a down payment, help a grandchild with their first car, or just want to move assets out of your estate for tax purposes, this is one of the simplest tools available. Now, the second thing you need to be aware of is there are special gifting rules for tuition and medical expenses. So some gifts don't count toward the $19,000 limit at all, and these can be incredibly valuable. You can give unlimited amounts for tuition as long as the payment goes directly to the school. And for medical expenses, as long as, again, the payment goes directly to the provider. So if your grandchild is in college or a family member has medical bills, these payments can be made tax-free and do not reduce your annual exclusion. And that's a strategy many families use at year-end to help their loved ones while also lowering the size of their estate for tax purposes. So you might be asking, well, what if I give more than $19,000? If you give more than $19,000 to one person in 2025, you'll need to file a gift tax return, but you will not owe any gift tax unless you've already used up your lifetime exemption amount. For 2025, the federal estate and gift tax exemption is $13.99 million per person, and that's scheduled to increase to $15 million in 2026. But keep in mind, the exemption may drop at some point in the future if there's a change in administration. So that's one reason many of our clients are doing more gifting now. For most families, gifting above the annual exclusion isn't a tax problem. You just need to file the correct paperwork. Now, for my Minnesota clients, there's a look back you need to be aware of. If you live in Minnesota or own property here, you need to be aware of an important rule. First is Minnesota has a 3-year estate tax look back. So while Minnesota does not have a gift tax, it has a 3-year look back. That means if you give assets away and pass away within 3 years, Minnesota may pull those gifts back into your estate for estate tax purposes. Second, there's also a 60-month Medicaid look back. So if you ever need long-term care and apply for medical assistance, gifts made within the past 5 years can create penalties or delays. So that's why it's important to coordinate gifting with your estate and elder law plan, especially for clients in their 60s, 70s, or 80s. Now, last gift that many parents don't think about but should, and this may surprise you. One of the most meaningful gifts many of my clients give is paying for their children's estate plans. So if your adult children have young kids of their own, this allows them to name guardians, choose trustees, control who manages money for their kids, put real protections in place if something happens to them. I've seen parents do this for birthdays, for Christmas, or simply because they want peace of mind knowing their grandchildren are protected. It's one of the best gifts you can give, and it benefits the entire family. So to recap, you can give up to $19,000 per person in 2025. You can give unlimited tuition and medical gifts if paid directly. Gifts are not taxable to the recipient. Larger gifts require a gift tax return but rarely result in any tax. Minnesota has a 3-year estate tax and a 5-year Medicaid look back. And helping your kids get their own estate plans is one of the most powerful gifts you can give. If you would like to discover more or to schedule a consultation to discuss your own planning, visit us at rouletlaw.com. If you would like to discover more, join us in my upcoming exclusive masterclass where I'll reveal strategies I use with my private clients to help them avoid probate, save on taxes, protect the money they leave for their kids if they get divorced, and much more. Click the link in the description below to sign up. And if you would like to discover more about how you can protect your home and life savings from long-term care and nursing home costs, get your copy of my guide, Save Our Home: How to Protect Your Home and Life Savings from Long-Term Care and Nursing Home Costs. You can download it by clicking the link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in an upcoming video and the masterclass. Be well.